Hi guys, it's Amy Gage, your Pampered Chef consultant. Hey, I wanted to show you the new and improved Pampered Chef cheese grater. This one has two sides. It has the thick, what they call country style cut now, or the really nice fine cheese cut. And these blades are very sharp, but it folds or opens up for easy storage. So I'm going to show you what the cuts look like. Okay. So here's the large one, and we're gonna do that first. So look at that, nice thick grades. And then we can do the small side, and that I'll show you right now. Okay, so here's the small, look how fluffy and small that is. So this cheese grater is just so nice. And another thing that's kind of interesting about it is actually it comes apart. So if you wanted to store it more easily in a drawer, you can. But it's a great, great tool that Pampered Chef has, and useful in everybody's kitchen.